Menteri Ramba ka jela u Konrad ki sangma ha ka khandai tri kalalingkon ula plepat ba ya umaddur tynrai u Khasi kum ka dak ka jingrakhe ka jingdap arpos snem jong ka Seng Samla Mawlai Pyllun SSMP Harmbai fuel station Mawlai Moyong rim Habakran ha ka jingalang Menteri Ramba ulai khublaya ka Seng Samla Mawlai Pyllun halor ka ni ka jingkan jo sha uni umaumer ba arpos nam jong ka jing shakri ba ka jing no senyang shakash nong Mawlai bat ong bagi don katu ka ni ginong rim ki bayalam lenti ha ka jing kam jong ka sarkar bat ka nong rim ka bakam kongsan kalong ban pentikna ban shimkhya lem ha ki benta ba pher jong ka imlang salang ki samla jong ka imlang salang ki de ki benta ka bakong san tam bat ki kun seng samla ba pher ha ki shnong ki thau kum ki Seng Samla ki long ki bakong san om tang na ka benta ka lawe henry ru na ka benta ka ni ka por ka benta jong ka jela ula ong Menteri Rangba ula kenturu e ki samla bakin shim kabu ling ba ki program bat ki skim jong ka sarkar jela ki bala mangker pangi ki samla ka jela na ka benta ka roi ka par ba ka jingkiu sha prang da ka ba plila ru e ki jinghikai halor ki saptri kam ba pher ki rinsan bat ki babon ki lat ki kabu ka khubor ka banga kwa ban ai menta ka sngi kam de satya tang na ka benta ki samla ka Mawlai henry ya ka Meghalaya hi baro ka wei ka long ba ka perthei menta ka de ka ba habanya khunting e competitive ya ki e baro bat kat bangi dang don ki kindon jong ka riti sanshar ki baya da ya ka hok jongi tungin omlong ki ba shim sting henry ban pen khre ya la de ban ya ai reng bat ki ba tibet tam ha ka perthei ula ong ha ba ban ram nga kermen ba kan ka jingrakhe jong ka Seng Samla Mawlai Pyllun kan ai min sim bat pen shlori ki samla bakin long kata ka jingkala haba penkot ya ka jingkren Menteri Rangba ula ongru ba uni umat dur tynrai uba pen iya ka kolshor jingki Khasi un long ru kum ka dur ka bakring bat ka bap tiang sngo bhai ki nongwan shangkai perthei ki barung shishlong ha ka ni ka sngi na ka liang ki dor bar shnong bat ki Seng Samla jong ka than kila IT ru ya ka dor khas sha Menteri Rangba da ka ba pen pau halor ki katu ka ni ki jing e bat ki jingdon kam jong ka than Mawlai
I'm very happy and very honored to be here amongst all of you today, and really would like to thank the members, office bearers, president, secretary of the Seng Samla Mawlai Pyllun for graciously having invited me to be part of this 20 years of service, as they say, to society, to mark these 20 years. And at this point in time, I would like to thank and congratulate the Seng Samla Mawlai Pyllun, all the office bearers, current and also office bearers of the past, who have greatly contributed to society and especially to the youth of this particular area. Friends, for me as an individual and also for our government as a whole, there are principles that drive us in the way we work. The first principle that we follow is to ensure that we are able to take care of different sections in society. And the youth of our society is most probably the most critical. I won't say most important because all are important. But the youth are the most critical section of our society. We have a population of 38 lakhs in the state. And you'll be surprised to know that 18 lakhs of them are below the age of 20. In fact, I am in minority in terms of population. I think most of us are. Because out of 38 lakhs, only 6 lakhs are above the age of 45. Rest of the 32 lakhs are below the age of 45. So this is the kind of society that we live in, and the youth play a very important and critical role. And therefore, for the traditional institutes, our youths in our locality, the Seng Samla in all the localities, are very, very crucial and important for the future of our state. And if I may, they are also important for the present of our state, the present time of our state. And therefore, it's not just in words, but we believe in actions on the basis of the principles and the words that we believe in.